Hello learners, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about classification of noun by names. Primarily, naming nouns are classified into two groups, common nouns and proper nouns. Today we will learn about common noun, definition of common noun, example of common noun, proper noun, definition of proper noun and example of proper noun. By the end of this video, you will be able to classify nouns under naming words. You will be able to identify which type of noun are those and answer the activities. So let's start. The first thing that comes in our mind is what is common noun? Common nouns are general names of people, place, things, or animals like doctor, girl, mountain, school, book, dog, bird, etc. So to define common noun, we can say a common noun is the general name of a person, place, thing, or animal. It does not refer to a specific name and is not capitalized unless it begins a sentence. So common noun used for person is teacher, student, man, woman, boy, girl, baby, etc. All these nouns are name of person but not indicating a particular person. Common noun used for place like city, school, park, mall, museum, stadium, hospital, etc. All these nouns are indicating the name of place but not the particular name of a city or a particular name of a school. Common noun used for thing like book, car, table, pen, watch, television, phone, etc. These are all naming things but not particularly naming any book, any branded car, any branded pen, etc. And so on. Common noun used for animals like dog, bird, cat, snake, fish, insects, bear, etc. These are all indicating the name of animal but not indicating the specific breed of dog, cat, or bird, or snake, or fish. After knowing about common noun, we will know about proper noun. These are specific name of person, place, animal, thing, or any idea, event, and month or day. Like Albert, Rizal Park, Sphinx, Christianity, Monday, January, etc. So to define proper noun, we can say a proper noun is the specific name of a place, person, animal, or anything present in the world. It always begins with a capital letter. So examples of proper noun are, for person, it can be Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, indicating a particular person or persona. For place, it can be Golden Temple, indicating a particular place which is a temple. It has a name. For animals, it can be kingfisher because it is indicating which species of bird we are talking about. And Monday, February, Christian, Cocomelon, India, who, etc. Let's try ourselves. Find common nouns and proper nouns from the below list. If you have come so far of this video, thank you for watching it. Subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you.